Ask them what they want to receive. When you're just starting out and when you're just starting to collect subscribers and you're starting to gain that relationship and that trust with them, ask them what they're looking for. Ask them the tips. Have them send in their top 3 questions about your particular market and what they're interested in. Get all those answers together and start answering them in your emails. So this week's newsletter is going to answer one question that came back from one of my particular subscribers. You get back 50 questions. That's 50 newsletters you can send with great information that people are looking for. So ask your readership what they're looking to gain information on, and then provide it to them.